Greetings and thank you for joining me today for this presentation of the NetApp Snap Creator Framework. In this presentation, we're going to take a look at what's different, not what's new, but what's different between Snap Creator 3 and Snap Creator 4. At a high level, there have been changes to the install requirements for Snap Creator. We've changed the setup command. We've added a new graphical user interface. We've enhanced the role-based access controls. There have been changes to the CLI commands. And finally, some of the action names have changed. As to the install requirements, Snap Creator 3 required Java only for the GUI to operate, whereas in Snap Creator 4, in order to run the Snap Creator server, Java is required. Java 1.6 or greater is still required, and you should make sure that the installed bit level of Snap Creator matches the installed bit level of Java. This is important to note because we've noticed that installations of Windows tend to default to the 32-bit version of Java even if it's a 64-bit operating system. So make sure that Java and Snap Creator have the same bit level installed. The setup command in Snap Creator has changed. In Snap Creator 3, the command was snap creator -- profile setup. Whereas in Snap Creator 4, we've simplified this command and it's now snap creator -- setup. There's also been some significant changes to the graphical user interface, or GUI. In Snap Creator 3, the GUI looks like what you see on screen. In Snap Creator 4, we've updated to a new version of the NetApp Web Framework. The new Snap Creator GUI has a consistent look and feel with other NetApp graphical user interfaces. Before actions such as management, user and roles, data, and report were available on the left-hand pane, now these are available across the top bar. And clicking Schedules or Job Monitor under the Management pane opens a new tab, and you can quickly switch in between these tabs. There's also been a major change to the way that configurations are displayed. Previously in version 3, it was one giant pane, you just scrolled down the pane, whereas in 4, we have the tab concept, where you're able to click a tab such as General, Connections, or Volumes to get information on that specific subsection of your configuration file. Snap Creator role-based access control has also been updated for Snap Creator 4. In version 3, RBAC was only available as part of the Snap Creator GUI. But in Snap Creator 4, this has been integrated into the core server code. So RBAC is available in the CLI as well as the GUI. And roles, users, and permissions can all be created or assigned using either the CLI or the GUI. CLI commands have also changed in Snap Creator 4, partly as a result of the enhanced RBAC. Examples of the commands are on screen. But delving into this a little deeper, Snap Creator 4, we add --server, --port, --user, and --password to the existing CLI command. We should also note that if you like, you can leave out the password and the CLI will prompt for this. Alternatively, you can encrypt a password separately by running snap creator --pwd crypt. It will prompt you for a password, and after entering the password, it will provide you an encrypted version of that password. It's not mentioned here on screen, but you can also leave out --server and it will default to localhost. And you can leave out --port and it will default to port 8080. A username is always required. But you can also cache these credentials using the command snap creator -- credentials. This will store the server, the port, the user, and the password. So you can essentially revert to Snap Creator 3 style commands. And finally, we did have a change to one of the action names in Snap Creator. The CLI version in Snap Creator 3.x was --action snap. But in Snap Creator 4.0, this is --action backup. And this change has also been made in the GUI. The action that was formerly known as snapshot has been changed to backup. So this has been a look at the quick differences between Snap Creator 3 and Snap Creator 4. For more information about Snap Creator, visit our forums at www.netapp.com/snapcreator or visit our Snap Creator developers community at www.snapcreator.com.